Hey Wildcats, Mr. Graber here, and we are announcing our winners for February. So we're going to start like we always do with our third grade award, which is called our Service Above Self. For these students who go above and beyond with their words and actions. So this month's recipient of the Service Above Self goes to third grader Clay Wolf. Next we'll have our Wildcats of the Month award, and we give these awards to 2 first graders, 2 second, and 2 third graders. And they're sponsored by our Harrisonville Police Department. So our 2 first grade Wildcats of the Month are McKinley Marriott and Skylar LaPlante. Our second grade winners are Amaya Yoshimoto and Connor Baker. And our third grade winners are Braden Ogletree and Petra Arnold. So congratulations to all of those winners. And finally, our Counselor Award, which is either an award given by myself or Mrs. Sumner to a class that we really feel exhibits great character and great discussion. So this month's award goes to the third grade class of Mrs. Hammonds. So congratulations to the students in Mrs. Hammond's class.
Hi Wildcats, it's time for our Mathematician of the Month. This award is given to one student chosen by their classroom teacher that has done an outstanding job with math over the last month. Whether in-class participation, assignments, or practice, they have gone above and beyond what is expected to achieve more in math. Today we are presenting awards to our February mathematicians. Congratulations to the recipients: Keller Williams, Grayson Hilbrandt, Mackenzie Soderstrom, Ben Litchfield, Aiden Miller, Alex Bednar, Presley Ryman, Lily Sharp, Peyton Waller, Levi Myler, Blakely Canoy, Lily Faye Smith, Aiden Pickens, Matthias Berg, Bryce Gregory, Corbin Huff, Easton Spangler, Noah Ramos, Emily Bowman, and Ashley Anderson. Congratulations to our February mathematicians.
All right, hey Wildcats, we just have a couple late additions to a couple of names to the Mathematician Awards that Dr. Falke usually reads off. So these are late additions for our Mathematician Award. Congratulations to Miles Cummings and Lyra Dominic. So these are our additional Math Award winners.
Hi Wildcats, it's time for our Character Awards. The Character Trait Awards are given to 2 students chosen by their classroom teacher who have exhibited kindness during the month of February. The recipients are considerate, polite, and understanding. Congratulations to our Character Award winners for February: Zoe Henderson, Kara Stewart, Amora Nims, Ryan Schuler, Liam Cates, Star Horton, Haley Brown, Lyrics Culver, Aubrey Johnson, Shaw Ford, Savannah Carver, Jesse Franklin, Adeline Garrison, Georgie Kaufman, Colton Hess, Willow Person, McKenna Lewis, Bentley Johnson, Avery Saunders, Amelia LePage, Kaylani Stewart, Will Miller, Sunny Jackson, Brinley Larson, Archer Barnes, Austin Houston, Braxton Ingracia, Zoe Matthews, Reagan Passo, Connor Boyd, Sophia Snyder, Abigail Coltrane, Asher Atkin, Ashlyn Riley, Lyndon Jomween, Harmony Wallace, Emma Rorvig, Ben Huff, Farrell Johnson, Maverick Schlotzauer, Annabelle DeMauro, Luciano Martinez, Araya Ray, and Ava Gaddis. Congratulations to our February Character Trait Award winners.
Good morning. morning, Wildcats. This is Mrs. Lawman, and I am going to present the Library Award for the month of February to Mrs. Brown's first grade class. They do an amazing job every week of turning their books in on time or bringing them with them to recheck. So thank you so much for being responsible.
Hi Wildcats and Wildcat families. I am so excited once again to bring you some February Music Award winners. I want to start with the class awards, and I'm so excited because I have several classes this time that won the Bravo Board contest by having the most stickers. And they were classes that kind of struggled at the beginning of the year, but they have been working so hard this past month trying to turn things around and do great things. So the winners for third grade this month are Mr. Barasco's class. In second grade, the winners are Mr. Waite's class. And for first grade, the winners are Miss Eccles' class. Congratulations. Next, I'd like to announce all the individual music stars, students who've been really doing great things in music class. They have great behavior, but in addition, they show great musical skills through tuneful singing, keeping a steady beat, and more. So I'm going to start with Miss Arbace's class. Congratulations, Naomi Kaufelt. In Mrs. Baldwin's class, Nolan Davis. In Mr. Barasco's class, Hattie Stevens. In Mrs. Hammond's class, Lydia Vaughn. In Miss Hassick's class, Riley Dunn. In Miss Hayden's class, Adeline Calhoun. And Mrs. Hopper's class, Carmarie Downey. In Mrs. Castellano's class, Savannah Carver. In Mrs. Durnell's class, Taylor Vaughn. In Miss Harrigan's class, Alyssa Overcast. In Mrs. Hastings' class, Briar Warner. In Mrs. Schenker's class, Emma Rorvik. In Mrs. Siegenthaler's class, Lana Stevens. In Mr. Waite's class, Ava Ty. In Mrs. Arnold's class, Elena Hunter. Mrs. Brown's class, Meredith Blowers. Miss Eccles' class, Charlotte Arnold. In Mrs. Florence's class, Eddie Sidwell. In Miss Holman's class, Macy Plum. In Mrs. Jackson's class, Malia Ford. In Mrs. Mitchell's class, Erickson Allen. And in Mrs. Snyder's class, Colin Wolf. Great job, Wildcat musicians.
Good morning, Coach Weichel here. I'm going to announce the Sportsmanship Award for this month. The winner for the class is Miss Florence. Great job, guys. Our first graders are going to be Haley Brown and Lyndon Jamoy. Second grade is going to be Adeline Garrison and Tanner Sexton. And third grade is going to be Layla Johnston and Drake Dubray. Good job, guys, and congratulations.
Hi Wildcat family, it's Mrs. Henderson in the art room, and I'd like to first say thank you to all the artists who shared their artwork in the Art in the Community program for last month. We had Jackson Turner on display, Alexis Saldana, Eva Clayton, Griffin Dotson, Alex Bedner, Amaya Yoshimoto, Farrell Johnson, Jesse Franklin, Adriana Bruce, Layla Waters, Brandon Gott, Miller Hilbrandt, and Braxton Ingracia. Congratulations, artists. Your work really shined in the community. I also want to say congratulations to Mr. Barasco's third grade group for being the Art Classroom Award winner last month. They have shown amazing growth over this school year, really starting to look a bit like fourth graders, and I want to thank them for their teamwork in art. I also have a couple extra announcements. First off, thank you to all the artists that helped color the Think a Farmer placemats. We colored over 150 placemats to share with the Cass County Farm Bureau. I want to give a big thank you to the Cass County Farm Bureau for sharing back with us a donation of $25 to share or to buy some resources for the art room. We want to again celebrate the farming community and say a big thank you to all the farming families. Also, this coming week on March 9th, I'm excited to see family and friends come to school as part of the special event for that 1 hour book fair. We will be showing a lot of artwork on display in the hallway. With a big thanks to all the classroom teachers, we should represent over 450 artworks at the event. So we look forward to seeing you and can't wait to see you there.